Good morning children. I am Preeti Kumar. Welcome to the online computer class. Before we start, let us close our eyes and observe 2 minute silence to pray for the peace within and outside and also pray for everyone's well-being. Open your eyes children. Let's get started. Children, as you know, in our previous session we have learned about how to change case in the MS Word. You have learned about sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each word, and one more case was left, that was toggle case. So today I am going to cover this toggle case and our new topic, line spacing. So we'll see how this line spacing help us. So let us first try this last change case of MS Word, that is toggle case. So for toggle case, what it does, if you have written something in capitals, so it makes the first letter of that word in small. If you have written something in small, then it will make the first character or first letter of the word in capitals. So just now I have typed here line spacing. So you see children, here L is capital and S is capital. So when I select this text, then what, and I go to change case here in the font group and I choose the toggle case, then we'll see what result will come. So you see children here, now capital L has been changed into small l and S, capital S is replaced with small s. So this is known as toggle case. So just now I don't need this. So what should I do? I can press the undo button. You have learned about undo button. So I don't need this action. So just for your information how toggle button helps us. So we have seen. Now for today's topic is line spacing. What is line spacing? So line spacing is vertical distance between successive lines of the text in a document. See children, what is successive lines? Following immediately one after another. So you can see here I have typed these two paragraphs on my MS Word document. Let me make it little big. So I'll just make it as 18, size 18. Okay, so now you can see clearly that when you have typed one line and after the first line, second line started with some gap. Can you see my mouse pointer? One bar is moving from here to here. You see one vertical space between these two lines. So this vertical space which comes between the lines is known as line spacing. Children, we have an option in MS Word to change the line spacing using home tab, paragraph group, and there is a one button here, line spacing and paragraph spacing. You can see here line and paragraph spacing. So what it does, choose how much space appears between lines of text or between paragraphs. To apply the same spacing to your whole document, use the paragraph spacing options on the design tab. So these are the options. So let us try. Here just now children, this is by default line spacing is set. So by default setting of line spacing in MS Word is 1.15. You can see here, this is number 1, then 1.15, then 1 point. You see, if I am moving my mouse, you can see the difference, how the line spacing appears on the screen. Now this is 2, it shows the double spacing, then 2.5, then 3 triple spacing. Okay, so this way you can change if you need these line spacing. So let me apply. By default it is 1.15. Now on this paragraph I want that line spacing should come in 1.15. So as soon as I click, you see this vertical space, the amount of space is increased. Okay, now you see the difference. In the first paragraph the space is 1.15, and in the second paragraph it is 1.15. Let us apply another spacing on this second paragraph. Let me take 2. Okay, so you see children, there is, now you can find out there is lot of space between these two lines. Okay, so this way you can change the line spacing in your MS Word document. Let me make it single spacing. Single spacing means 1. So you can see now the text is coming very close. So here, this way you understand what is line spacing. Now children, the second thing is how, you see, when I have finished this paragraph and I started typing another paragraph, there is some space here also. Okay, sometimes if you type your text and your text is increasing one line and it's going in the next page, so we can adjust this line spacing with the help of, here there is option remove space after paragraph. So you just click on this, you see now this paragraph, second paragraph has come up little up. So this way you can apply remove paragraph spacing, or you can add space before paragraph also you can use. So you can see when you select, now it is not happened because I have not selected on which paragraph I need to give space. So I'll select the second paragraph, then I'll say add space before paragraph. So automatically you see the space has come. And this is a, you see children here, again line spacing options. When you click on the line spacing options, then more options you will get here. So here you can check spacing before, you can even give your own numbers, own values. Here it is given 12 points. If you want to increase, you can increase 24 points, and after spacing you can make it 12 and say okay. And even line spacing, if you want to change, you can give 1.5 lines and say okay. So you can see you can do it by the help of dialog box also. So I hope children all of you understood, and please type some paragraph in your computer and apply these line spacing and paragraph spacing. Thank you children. Please do practice.